Big part of the discussion this morning, Jim, involves jobless claims below 500K, obviously Uber's comments about the reopening. And I would argue that Dara, at least to this point, has been a little cautious about putting their numbers as a reflection of the broader economic reopening.
Frankly, as much as I respect Dara, I don't know if I respect this business as much as I once did. I think it was great that they moved aggressively into delivery because we didn't want to go to the restaurants. That's over. We want to go to restaurants more than I've ever seen. And I've got to tell you, David, people don't want delivery if there's a restaurant, any restaurant nearby. I went to Longhorn Steak this weekend rather than have delivery. And by the way, it wasn't that bad. A good Bloody Mary. But there's an element, David, of desperation to get out of the house.
I think that's probably the case, certainly in places that have been more locked down than others in our country. I thought what's interesting as well in listening to Mr. Khosrowshahi talk with Andrew and Becky, prices. You know, Jim, and I mean, we've all experienced this lately. There seems to be a bit of a shortage of drivers.
Right.
And the prices are exorbitant, I think is fair to say. He said 3 times they'll lean into it.
Yeah, lean in.
Which I think means leaning into actually getting more drivers on the road so that potentially prices will start to come down.
I thought lean into it meant that we're not going to make as much money and the drivers are making more. Maybe. Or is that just maybe the function of the word?
There are any number of other reasons, but certainly.
They're leaning into the subway in New York, meaning that you want to take the subway when you see that bill. We told our son, hey, you know what? You're not an investment banker. Take the subway.
Yeah. No, Carl, it could lead to more subway traffic, certainly in New York or other metropolitan areas, if, in fact, they maintain or keep those very high levels in terms of pricing right now, because it is noticeable, even for those of us who don't use Uber that often, when you do check in on it.
I hear you hailed a cab the other day.
I did last night.
What was that like?
I've been in plenty of taxis lately, yeah.
Well, that's something, Carl. There was a kind of a...
And the subway.
There is kind of a sticker shock to Uber, and I don't think it's going to get better. He said there's sticker shock to everything. The great quandary that J-PAL faces is that there's so many help wanted signs, and yet there's this tremendous mismatch between what the help wanted and what people want to do. And to get drivers, they're going to have to pay more. And that's just something. There was a surfeit of drivers. Now there's a shortage. It's the chip driver shortage.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.